These Bluetooth headphones or earbuds. These are my AirPods and they work beautifully with this. It was simply a case of pressing the button on the back of there. And all you do is you go to the home screen and you find your settings, click on settings, continue, and then you go to devices and then Bluetooth devices, and it will find there. So you activate your Bluetooth device. So if you activate this, it will flash. Let's try it. Let's get it going. And there we go. It's found my AirPods, and I would click that and it would connect to that. Yes, that's fine. My AirPods. Thank you very much. There we go. And so I've got my AirPods. Now, obviously you don't have to have AirPods. You can have any Bluetooth headphones. This is the beauty of this Vita. It has built-in Bluetooth. The Switch doesn't have that, and it's infuriating. So you have to use kind of all different sorts of things plugged into the bottom there or wired. Whereas the Vita, you saw how easy that was just to connect some Bluetooth devices, and it will remember them. It will remember the Bluetooth devices. So it's just a case of pinging it open and away you go. So